We, as students and humans, have voices, can make a change, and refuse to accept defeat. We wanted to organize a huge student demonstration to physically show how many of us truly support and accept one another, and that we as a collective do have power.
This demonstration has nothing to do with politics or parties, but more so has to do with making sure that our school community is a safe and accepting place for all, and that every day we are working to be the kindest, most empathetic people that we can be.
One of the things Shadyside prides itself on is its community. Part of what makes a community is the commitment we have to support one another. This means the entire community. Shadyside also has a commitment to learning. And just as important as what we learn from textbooks and in our classrooms is what we learn from each other and about each other. To honor these commitments, we must, as a community, learn from each other and stand together against bigotry in all forms and work to become better global citizens.